Hey everyone, if you're wondering what's filling up your hard drive, TreeSize Free is one of the easiest tools to find out. Instead of manually checking folder after folder, you can scan your disk space in just a few clicks and instantly see what's using the most storage. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, so let's get started. First, launch TreeSize Free from your desktop or the Windows Start menu. If you're scanning your Windows system drive, it's recommended to click the application and choose Run as administrator. This allows the program to scan protected folders for a more complete storage analysis. Once TreeSize Free opens, click the Select Directory button near the top of the window. Then choose the drive or folder you want to analyze. Most users start with the C drive, but you can also scan external drives, USB devices, or individual folders. The scan begins automatically after you select a location. Depending on the size of your drive and the number of files it contains, the process may take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Yeah, larger drives naturally take longer to analyze. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free organizes folders by size. The largest folders appear first, making them easy to identify. Expand any folder to see its subfolders and locate exactly where your storage space is being used. If you prefer a visual layout, switch to the tree map view. Every rectangle represents a file or folder, and the larger the rectangle, the more disk space it occupies. I mean, it's a quick way to spot storage-heavy files without scrolling through long folder lists. Now that you know what's taking up space, review the largest folders carefully before making any changes. Focus on removing or moving personal files you no longer need, and avoid deleting Windows system folders unless you're completely sure they're safe to modify. Taking a few extra moments to review your files can help prevent accidental data loss, and that's how to scan disk space with TreeSize Free. With just a few clicks, you can quickly understand where your storage is going and make informed decisions about cleaning up your drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.